So I've got to get this on there. I got to get that the housing cleaned out. I got to go get my seals and stuff. You name it, I got to get it. It's supposed to be freezing cold again. So let's get to it. She's out. Okay, what we got here? Got on the tag, model number RS404, gear ratio 390. This is a little bit newer rear end than mine. Well, they were nice enough to put a new seal in here. Red Loctited the nut and put it on with a tire air ratchet, you know, the big heavy duty one, so it ain't going nowhere. I looked at this when we were there. Gears look great. She's in good shape. Fine with me. Then we get the housing cleaned up. There's a bunch of gunk inside it, and just kind of go around, and then if I have time tonight, I'll run and get new U-joint and new axle seals. That's all I need. This seal right here, they just had silicone on it, which is fine. Some people do that. I don't. I'd rather just put the right seal on it, but I would put silicone on it. Got the housing all cleaned out. Didn't record it. I mean, you really want to see me sit there and slop out a bunch of shit that looked like mud. What is going on with this thing? Are you serious? You Bauer piece of shit. Degrees. Well, can't have a bunch of anything. Bearings and gears in a can. Need to hide where it says cord. Read it. All new bearing, seal. Actually, there's a new seal. She should be ready to go. You should be able to just drop her in there. If I had RTV, and I don't. Back in the car. Boom. That'll work. She's in there. Well, we gotta lube her down with some RT and V. Can't see what I'm doing, so that ain't gonna work. Well, have a blowout, why don't you? There. Okay. About right on the money. I need to go back. Boom. Oh, went down too far. Well, crap. There's one. I'm gonna hold this back. Go down. Right there. Boom. Right there. No move. No move. Damn it, that figures. But she's in there. One bolt. Gotcha. Throw that away before it gets reused, because I will reuse it. Get these main four on and we're done. For now. What's going on now? Great. All right. There you go. All tight, all sloppy. I'm just leaving it. I'm not touching it. Looks brand new, like nothing ever left. Starting to get dark. I don't have my U-joint yet. I'm gonna get it tomorrow, you know. So other than that, she's in there. I'm not gonna fill it yet. I'm gonna let that sit overnight, you know. See what happens. Check you later. Morning. It's the next day. I had to make myself a little run. Make sure I got everything I needed. I got thousands of dollars of gear lube for this thing. And I think before I put the U-joint in, I'm gonna put the axles in, I'm cleaning them up. I got new gaskets for them. We'll get them in, make sure they're good and tight. Then we'll get that U-joint in, torsion bars in, fill it full of fluid, test drive. That's it. Couldn't take too long. Of course, that's what I say about everything. Come on. Boom. Gotta hurry, my damn hands are cold. Man, it is freezing outside. No. Froze. Come on. Get some air, tighten them up in a bit. Come on. In. Air, come back in, and I'll go around them one more time. That's it. Now we just got to get that U-joint in there, but that's easy peasy. I'll go ahead and clean that up. I'll get back with you in a minute. maybe possibly be a little chilly outside. I didn't have it plugged in, so she's a choo-choo train. Blop, 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 blop. Yeah, got one side on. See if I can get this side on just as easy. That'd be great. Ah, with the damn. Really? Where'd you go? So I dropped the damn spacer washer, which is typical. Where'd you go? Come on now. Well, you couldn't have went too damn far. If these were brand new, this might be a little bit easier, but they're not. They're already set in their ways first. And there went a bolt. It's fine. Whatever. I did lose the bolt I need. That's just... Oh, damn it, it worked on the other side. She's in. Okay. All tight. All done. Fine. Now we just gotta fill her up. This thing takes like 3.5 gallons. Nobody had the big one you could buy. So I get to do this 14 times. Seven. Well, I think that's going to do it. I just got to take it for a test drive. I got to put a speedometer in, a couple switches, no big deal. I should be fine. But I want to use this moment to give you a public service announcement. You see these? There are 3 of these triangles. I had all 3 out while I was waiting on a tow truck. All 3 were 3 to 4 feet off the highway. All 3 were hit by cars not paying attention to what they were doing. Please get over. Keep the roads safe. That could have got me killed. Public service announcement. Please get over when you see a stranded motorist. Anyway, take care of yourselves. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, comments, cuss, discuss, whatever you want. My YouTube's an open book. Peace out.